Cover.
Start it.
See, at the level of T12 vertebra, the descending thoracic aorta enters the abdomen and continues as abdominal aorta. At the level of intervertebral disc between the T12 and L1 vertebra, the celiac trunk arises from the abdominal aorta. The celiac trunk gives three branches. The one branch which goes towards the spleen is the splenic artery, which is tortuous, and the one artery which is going towards the lesser curvature of the stomach, which is the left gastric artery, and one more artery which is going towards the porta hepatis of the liver, which is the common hepatic artery. The common hepatic artery divides into proper hepatic artery proper and gastroduodenal artery. The hepatic artery proper goes towards the porta hepatis. Near the porta hepatis divides into right hepatic and left hepatic. Here in this cadaver, the cystic artery arises directly. This is cystic artery. The cystic artery arises directly from the common hepatic artery. It has to be arises from the right gastric artery, but it is anomaly. Then the gastroduodenal artery divides into superior pancreatico-duodenal and the right gastroepiploic. The right gastroepiploic goes over the greater curvature of the stomach. The left gastroepiploic from the splenic artery and the right gastroepiploic artery from the gastroduodenal artery anastomosis over the greater curvature of the stomach. The left gastric artery from the celiac trunk, the right gastric artery from the common hepatic artery, anastomosis over the lesser curvature of the stomach. Then we have one more ventral branch. That is at the level of L1 vertebra, which is the superior mesenteric artery. Superior mesenteric artery, what branch it gives means whichever the branch which is giving towards the left are the jejunal and ileal branches. Whichever the branch is going towards the left, whichever the branch is going towards the right are first one, which most important is inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. And then we have middle colic, right colic and ileocolic artery. Not visible. These are the minor branches. Ileocolic artery ileocolic artery divides into two branches. One is the anterior division and posterior division. Anterior division supplies the cecum and the lower part of the ascending colon. It is superior division and inferior division. Superior division supplies the lower part of the ascending colon and the cecum, and the inferior division gives one more branch, is the appendicular artery. The appendicular artery supplies the appendix. Then we have at the superior mesenteric artery. Somewhere here we can get superior mesenteric vein and along with the splenic vein. At the level of L2, they join to form the portal vein. Portal vein formation at the level of L2. Then we have one more artery at the level of which arises from the abdominal aorta at the level of L3. It's the inferior mesenteric artery. Inferior mesenteric artery gives one important branch, that is the left colic artery. This is the left colic artery. Then it gives three more branches. The inferior mesenteric artery, it terminates as superior rectal artery. Superior rectal artery is a terminal branch of, actually it is a termination of inferior mesenteric artery, and gives two more branches to sigmoid colon and the branches to rectum. Then at the level of L4, we have the termination of abdominal aorta to right and left common iliac arteries. At the level of L4, abdominal aorta terminates into left and right common iliac arteries. And at the level of L5, the right and the left, see here, the right and left common iliac veins join to form the inferior vena cava at the level of L5. Stop.